Happy day, buddies. This is Nilima Amit from One Life Many Journeys OLMJ. The background music is the singing bowls played by my daughter. Today's meditation will help you to drop all your stress and worries and get a smile on your face. This meditation you can use as a quick go to whenever you feel stress and need to recharge yourself. Sit down comfortably, either on a chair or sofa. If you're sitting on a chair or sofa, put your feet firmly on the ground and make your back straight in 90 degrees. If you're sitting on the ground, sit either in Ardha Padmasana or Purna Padmasana with your back straight and close your eyes. We'll start with 3 deep cleansing breaths. This breath will inhale through our nose till our navel and exhale from our navel through our mouth with a sigh. This way. After the 3 cleansing breaths, we'll breathe normally through our nose. So let's get started. Close your eyes and sit comfortably whichever place you have chosen to. Inhale through your nose, calm and peace. Exhale through your mouth with a sigh, all the stress and worry. Inhale through your nose, happiness and joy. Exhale through your mouth, all the sorrows, all the hurts. Inhale through your nose, health, vitality, courage. Exhale all that is not required, fear, and all the illnesses and pain. And as you do the cleansing breaths, now come back to your normal breathing. See how beautifully air goes into your lungs and comes out through your nose. The lungs take in whatever is needed, whatever is required, and discards whatever is not required. Isn't that a very beautiful thing? Let the thoughts come. Don't bother yourself with them. Let them come and go. Put your attention towards your breathing. You inhale and you exhale through your nose. And as you're doing this, you imagine a white ball of light in front of you. The ball of light is inviting you to enter in it. Enter through the ball of light, through the door on the ball of light. Open the door, make the curtain aside, and go through it. And as you enter and walk through the curtain, the door, imagine all the stress and worry dropping off you. As all the worry and stress drops off you as you pass through the white light door and you come to a place where all the things that you like are there. It might be a beautiful song playing in the background or something that you like to eat, a savory item or a dessert that you love to relish on. Something that gets a smile on your face, your loved ones, your children, or small children playing. A beach, a sunset, a bird that you love to look at, a flower that gets a smile on your face. The whole place is filled with things that get smiles on your face. It is a sport that you love to play, is a music instrument that you like to play, or you just like to hear. It's the river flowing or the waves splashing at your feet. It's the camel ride or the horse ride, or it's the merry-go-round, or it's the swing that you love to swing high up in the air. Whatever you like, the room is filled with all that as you have entered the white light. Go ahead and enjoy. Enjoy each and everything that you like. Maybe your best friend, your soulmate is there. Go hug, have a hearty talk. Or is that ice cream that you just love to lick on? Go ahead, pick it up, have it. Is it the book that you love to read always? Or is it the light of the candle or the lamp that you light and gives you that calm and peace? Everything is available there. Go relish it. Go enjoy it. And as you're doing all that, you can feel that your body is getting recharged, your mind and soul is getting recharged. You're filled with positivity now as you're going around and experiencing all those things that you love, you like. As your mind and body has been recharged now completely, you walk back through the white light outside the door. You are filled with positivity. There's a smile on your face. The smile is spreading all across your face, and now you know I can look after myself. I can solve the problem that is at hand. The solution is just round the corner. I just need to look around, seek help, and it will be solved. You're completely recharged now. And now pay attention back to your breath. How beautifully it goes in through your nose and comes out through your nose. The air flows in with lot of hope and throws out all the failures, all the stress that is not required. And as you are recharged now, there's a smile on your face. Wiggle your feet and rub your palm and place them on your eyes. Feel the warmth of your palms on your eyes. And open your eyes only when you feel ready to open them. Use this meditation whenever you feel stressed and worried. This meditation surely will recharge you and get a smile on your face. This meditation will always come as a savior for you whenever you need to de-stress yourself. Have a wonderful day ahead. If you've liked my meditations, hit on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon for further updates on various meditations that will come on this channel henceforth. Thank you, thank you, thank you.